This is your example problem for number 8 on your test. The biggest problem with this one is that we had to combine our like terms. So we need to start, I like to just start from the very far left and look at 7x. So I look at 7x and I try to figure out, okay, are there any like terms with 7x? So is there anything that has the same variable to the same power? Well, I have a minus 8 here. That's not it. This x, however, I'm going to split that. This x, however, is a like term with 7x. Okay, so those two match up. Now, let's look at everything that's left. This 8, which is turned into like a negative 8. And then this 20, also a negative 20. Those are like terms. Now, it doesn't matter which one you start with. I personally like to start with my variables. And I almost always will move my smallest variable number, or number in general, because I know that that's going to eliminate the possibility of some negatives. So I have 7x, or x, and in this case I know x is smaller. Now x is a positive. I need to cancel it out to 0. If it's a positive, that means I just need to subtract from both sides. And I'm going to subtract this entire term. So I'm going to subtract the whole x. So when I do that, x minus x goes away. On my right side of my equation, I'm left with minus 20. And I know that my minus 8 is going to stay because I'm not doing anything to it. However, my 7x minus x, remember there's that invisible 1 there? 7 minus 1 gives me 6. And you bring your variable. Don't forget your variable. Now you can circle your like terms again. 6x does not have any like terms, but minus 8 and negative 20 are like terms. Do not move the negative 20 because then it's all by itself and we're going to get our sign switched around. So that means I have to move the negative 8. Since it is a negative 8 or a minus 8, whichever way you want to think about it, you're doing the opposite, which is addition. Because if I want to cancel out negative 8 to 0, I have to add a positive 8 to both sides. I'm left with 6x equals negative 20 plus a positive 8 will give you a negative 12. You can go back to it again. 6x does not have any like terms. Nothing else has a variable. Negative 12 does not have a variable. These are not like terms. So now you're down to the division part. Because 6 and x are being multiplied, I need to divide. That's the opposite of multiplication. And you always divide by the number that's touching the variable. Divide by 6, divide by 6. These cancel out to a 1. So I'm left with x. Negative 12 divided by 6 gives me a negative 2. So x is equal to negative 2, and you can plug it back in to check.